Welcome back to the channel, everyone. I am Skylar James, and today we will be talking about ROBLOX. If you're a 13-year-old or a parent of a 13-year-old, then you already know about ROBLOX. I make the joke about 13-year-olds because 69% of the user base is under the age of 16, and half of US kids are currently playing it. It's wildly popular and now publicly traded. ROBLOX is a platform where users explore virtual areas and play different games called places, created by other users. ROBLOX is probably best described as a metaverse, this digital world of content and avatars, adventures, and in-game currency. In this video, we'll explore what is ROBLOX, how does ROBLOX make money, and can we, as investors, make money along with it? Is ROBLOX a video game? Maybe, by what you would term game meant 10 years ago. But many video games now, and especially this one, is an immersive community with content created by users, in-app purchases that drive revenue, and no limit to the potential in-game storylines that can be created. There isn't a specific way to play ROBLOX. Instead, the community itself can create different puzzles, locations, games within the ROBLOX system, otherwise known as places. And it's this community creation that makes ROBLOX a little different. I think of it as a YouTube-esque angle where content creators can share in the revenue just a little bit in exchange for making the ecosystem as a more whole and engrossing and more valuable. More on that aspect in a minute. First, ROBLOX as a whole. There are a few gears to its functionality. One gear is the engine that contains all the physics and makes the graphics function like the world we expect it to. It's gravity, shadows, the general rules of the system. This is developed by ROBLOX, the company. They also create some of the in-app purchases. The second gear is that the platform allows users to create and then sell custom graphics, items or accessories for play inside the game. This could be just a single person designing a custom hairstyle for their own avatar that they later offer for sale to everyone, or it could be a developer who creates entire mini games, aka places, inside the ROBLOX universe. Access to these places and items are sold for in-game currency called Robux, and one Robux is worth about 1 penny. Users can spend their Robux on other in-game items, or if they amass a large enough amount, they can actually withdraw it for US dollars. User developers, now that's my term, they create these places and items inside ROBLOX, hoping that other users will buy them. But it takes time to make these digital creations, and the developer really has no guarantee that anyone will actually pay for them in the game. In fact, ROBLOX says 99.5% of developers in the game make less than $1,000. In other words, don't quit your day job to design Hawaiian shirts within ROBLOX. Still though, ROBLOX says they paid out $330 million to developers in 2020 alone. And 2020 was a banner year for the software company. Revenue doubled compared to 2019, a tailwind from widespread school closures during the pandemic. Remember, almost the entire user base is school-aged children. But is this sustainable long-term? Can ROBLOX really grow, or let alone maintain its 150 million monthly active users? After all, it makes most of its revenue by selling its in-game currency, Robux. The amount of users is directly proportional to how much revenue they can generate. So the question becomes, is this a new YouTube, where users add content to increase the staying power of the platform, or just another MySpace in video game format? The problem with social platforms, the MySpaces, the Facebooks, is stickiness, or lack thereof. As soon as something else shiny comes along, people migrate en masse to the next platform. Does that mean they'll eventually wander away from ROBLOX? Why wouldn't they? That's the first riddle Roblox has to solve. The second riddle is the predictable drop-off of a video game's audience. Anything based on digital graphics becomes outdated. Look at the fossil record. EverQuest, Second Life, World of Warcraft, these massive online monsters of yesterday are barely a shadow of their former selves. As an investor, these riddles worry me. With revenue of $920 million in 2020 and a current market cap of about $36 billion, Roblox's price to sales multiple is lofty at 39 to 1, to say the least. It falls into this category of stocks that if there's a chance it could be the next Netflix by 2030, then it's a reasonable valuation, because apparently traditional valuations seem to no longer apply. Do we really think Roblox can overthrow powerhouses like EA and Take-Two, or Activision and Blizzard in this space? I personally don't. This feels like a flash in the pan, like investing in Atari at its peak. Looking at the share price since its direct listing in March, there was an initial pop. On day one, it was up a whopping 54% over its list price. Holy cow. If that doesn't create investing FOMO, then I don't know what does. But the price has slowly dropped off since then. Now it's down double digits from its all-time high. Ultimately, Roblox has a fantastic revenue model for today, for right now, but I don't think it has staying power. I don't think the user base of kids under 13 and under 16 are gonna carry this very young feeling video game platform with them into adulthood. I don't think the revenue boom of 2020 will carry into 2021, and I don't think the user developers will stick around for long once the monthly active users start dropping precipitously. The developers will migrate with the users to the next platform, and the shareholders will feel the pain. I'm choosing to stay away as of now, but leave a comment below. Do you think Roblox is a YouTube in the making or a MySpace?